We are at a U Pullet lot down by Sioux Falls, and they do have a classic car section. We are looking for parts for the pickup truck, but just taking a gander here at kind of everything they got. Here is a 65 Ford F250, some other pickups. There's another Ford F100 further down here. There's a lot of cars in this area. This is the classic car section. It's a little different than the other area we were at. Fortunately, kind of what I'm looking for seems to be missing, but we'll see what we can find. Okay, we recovered a fender for Junior's 66 right there off of this one. Now on to get some more parts. Found a bellows kit here on a 55 Dodge. We're going to pull this off here for Scarlett. So we got the brake booster, vacuum canister, we got a door for Junior's truck, we also got a fender for his, and I did find a battery tray for mine. 65 is a 1-year only. So we did get a few things here at Nordstrom's U Pullet, just north of Sioux Falls. So we did pretty well. A few things we still need is a hood. Couldn't find one that was any better than what we had, and also need to get the correct original bench seat for my truck. And did not find a radio either, but a few minor things, no biggie. We did do pretty good. All this, believe it or not, only cost $100. So $100 for all this. So it was a pretty good deal.